Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Will just scurried on out in the background. Don't know if you saw that. Today's video is so fun because I am bringing you along on my first ever LA event that I'm attending. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a pretty chilled evening. It's just a little opening of a new location for a company. I'll get into that later. Little drinks, little celebration for them, but it's in LA and we're heading down there. Will's coming with me. I'll help me get some food on our way there. And yeah, we just need to do a full get ready with me because I'm fully out of the shower, fresh. And I'm super excited actually because I'm gonna start with my hair. So we're gonna be jumping forward to when I have all my makeup on. I'm gonna be doing my hair with the amazing Midnight Rose B1 Beach Waver. If you guys have seen Beach Waver around, you're in for a treat because I'm gonna be showing you how to use it and all of its perks that it comes with. So we're gonna jump to future me with her makeup on and we're gonna do our hair. Okay, it is time to do our hair because she's looking a little meh right now. So to start, I am going to be taking the Beach Waver Dry Shampoo. It's a rice-based formula and adds a volume and just will absorb all of my oils because I kind of got it out right now. Oh, it smells good. Okay, because I want some added length, I'm going to be taking my BFB Hair Halo extension. This is their no-show Halo in 20 inches. I colored it myself to match my hair a little better, but I'm going to quickly install that. The hair is in and it is time to get some beautiful beach waves. I already turned it on to my preferred heat setting. There are 3 different heat settings based on the temperature that you like. The first temperature is 290, the middle is 350, and the very top one would be 410. So all I did was click it on and I clicked to that middle button and it is flashing, and once it is a solid light, it's ready to go. So many of you always comment on my videos like, I love that you can use a curling iron, but I find curling irons hard to use. Like, they're kind of tricky to use in yourself, which I completely understand. I mean, I've been doing hair for years. As a hairstylist, you get so used to using so many different things, but what I love about the Beach Waver is that it's so easy to use, and if you're not super familiar with styling your hair, this is incredible. I'm gonna show you a few pieces. All I'm gonna do is grab a section of my hair, and you're gonna slide to the very end, and then you're going to hit this button right here, and it rotates up for you. Literally doing all of the work. You just hold it for a few seconds and then you can release it just like that, and it creates a beautiful curl. All right, so I'm gonna show you all of that again. You start the hair at this bottom clamp and you take this button and press it, and it winds right up for you, and you just hold it. The ceramic rod is amazing as well because it protects your hair, and then you just release that clamp and release. Oh, so perfect. Let's keep going. It's just so easy to use and so fast, and your hair is styled in minutes. If you decide to buy one, you can use my code Annabelle20 for 20% off, but we're just gonna keep styling our hair and stay tuned for the final reveal. Look at how good my hair looks. Actually, that was the fastest it's ever taken me to curl really long extensions, because my hair can be pretty fast because it's, you know, thinner, but with longer, fuller hair like this, it was so quick using the Beach Waver. Look at those curls. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. To finish, I'm gonna take the Beach Waver Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray. It gives your hair protection if you're restyling, but it also just gives your hair some hold and flexibility. So I'm just gonna spray this all over. Oh, it smells amazing as well. This is the finished product of using the incredible Beach Waver. I'm obsessed. Thank you, Beach Waver, for working with me in this video. Okay, let's continue the event. Get ready with me. Okay, we are back to no hair and makeup done. You guys just always love to see me do my hair, so I thought we'd start off with that, but I've actually been getting so many requests about what I do for my makeup routine. You guys asked me a lot on my shorts, so I thought I would bring you along on my super quick, super easily, mostly drugstore. There's a few things that aren't drugstore makeup routine since I'm going to this event and I need to get into that and do all that. I got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Drops as a gift from Sephora for my birthday. So I'm just putting those on. It's a little travel size and I'm using this thing until it's done. Usually I just love super hydrated skin. I think it just makes your makeup look the best. And then recently I was gifted the Good Molecules silicone-free priming moisturizer. It's amazing to use maybe before your normal moisturizer. Oh my gosh, it just shot out. Hello. I usually just put a little bit of this on my face and rub this in. Again, it creates that really moisturized skin, which for me, I've been really struggling with skin texture and acne and stuff, so I've just been trying to take care of my skin and do more for it. We are kind of in a rush as per usual, so just trying to get this all done. Then this is the new actually skincare line I've been using from Sephora. The most affordable skincare line there. It's literally their line, and this is the all day hydration moisturizer, and I've been loving it. I've been using the like daily cleanser and the exfoliator every few days, and I feel like it's really been helping my skin. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and it has I don't know how you say this, niacinamide in it. It's the new one. It's like light pink, and I just really apply that mostly in my T-zone. This stuff is great because it makes your skin super tacky and sticky. All right, and I always then follow up with a sunscreen. Sometimes I just do a regular sunscreen, but today I'm gonna do the Glow Screen from Supergoop. It's the Golden Hour shade, SPF 40, and it's amazing. So I'm just gonna put some of that on my finger, and then we'll get that all rubbed in. Sunscreen is just so important, even if you feel like you live somewhere that's not super sunny, because you may not be able to tell, but you're still being exposed to the sun, and we gotta protect our skin. And it gives such a nice glow, and it gives you a little bit of color as well. In the summer, I feel like this is all I'm gonna be wearing on my skin. Okay, as I said, I've been trying to like take care of my skin, and honestly what that looks like for me is wearing less foundation. The foundation I love is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. It's amazing and it's drugstore, but I feel like foundation does just break me out, so I've been trying to go lighter on the makeup. So this is just the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I just apply this under my eyes and on any little breakouts I have, and I basically just call it a day with this. Okay, and then I just like pat that in. All right, and before I go too much further, I love to do my brows. So I am obsessed with the NYX Thick It, Stick It brow mascaras. This is Rich Auburn, this is Auburn. I'm gonna use the darker one today since my hair is freshly colored dark. You can get these at a drugstore and Amazon. All of my makeup that I can link, most all of it I think I can, is on my Amazon storefront under my skincare and makeup, so you can go and buy any of the things there that you like from this video. But literally, this brow mascara is so good, and especially on days when I don't really wanna wear a lot of makeup, or if you're like, okay, I feel like my blonde eyebrows are poking through, which is my problem because my hair is so light naturally. I need to try and make them look a little bit more like my hair color. So it not only gives your brows some tint of color, it also thickens them. It adds like little fibers to your brows, which I love. Like, look at the comparison of this eyebrow versus this one. It makes it full, adds some pigment. Oh, I love it. And literally these have lasted me such a long time, and drugstore, they're affordable. Okay, and then the next most amazing eyebrow product is the NYX the brow tip pen. This is in Auburn as well, and you can use this just to create like little hair-like strokes, kind of define the brow a bit more. Again, it's all preference, but these pens also come in so many shades. They're on Amazon and super affordable, and I love them. Honestly, it's like one of the easiest brow products I probably have ever used. Brows are looking good. All right, I'm gonna take a little Rare Beauty blush. This is the shade Hope. This stuff lasts me so long. It feels drugstore, and Rare Beauty is literally just the best. I like to put it right there personally. I used to put my blush higher, which I do love that, but sometimes I like to put it here because then I blend it into my nose and it gets more of that like sun-kissed look. Just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna powder my face. This is the Maybelline Fit Me in 120 powder, and these little powder puffs are also from Amazon. You get like a whole pack of them, and I just begin setting all of this, and then I follow up with other powders. I found when I do not set my face with powder, I am one of those people where it will just slip and slide everywhere, and I just have to set with some sort of powder. This is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Natural Bronzer, again, drugstore, and I just begin bronzing up my face. This is literally one of my favorite parts of makeup, is adding bronzer. I do it on my forehead and on my cheekbone, and usually I maybe throw some down on my neck just to blend it all together. It's like crema or crema, I don't know. Put some on my nose. And then I'll take a super fluffy brush and just kind of push it down my neck. Okay, just a tiny bit of powder. This is the Revlon Mauveless, and I'll take a big fluffy brush with this one and just kind of put it where I put the Rare Beauty. And before I go any further, I am now going to set my face with setting powder. I will still do mascara and highlight, but I like to do that after. So this is the NYX Matte Finish setting powder. It is literally my favorite, and it's just so good. And then just make sure you let that fully dry. And just for extra setting, I'll take the powder sometimes and that powder puff again and just run it over some of the areas where I tend to get a little bit oily, and I like to carve out my cheekbone a little bit with the powder too. So kind of taking it at an angle and then carving it out. And then I'll take this powder with me in my purse just so I don't get too oily. Now I'm gonna take this highlighter. This is from a brand called Kaya, which is also where all my brushes are from. They are an amazing makeup brand. You cannot get them on Amazon. You'd have to order them online, but they are really good. All right, a highlight, and then we pretty much just need to do some mascara. So I like to curl my lashes super close to the base of where the lashes begin. And then I always use waterproof mascara. This just allows my eyelashes to actually hold a curl, because you can see my eyelashes are just super straight. So I go do one coat of each of these, like just back and forth, until I'm happy with the way they look. And it's the Great Lash Waterproof by Maybelline and the Lash Blast CoverGirl Waterproof. Okay, mascara is done. Some mascara days are better than others. Today's is, it's okay, but I usually do these lip liners. This is Kaya Laguna, or I do NYX in Sandstorm. I'll bring them both with me, but I'll do NYX in Sandstorm. Oh my gosh, NYX in Sandstorm, and then I always do a Kylie lip kit as well. But let's just line our lips. NYX lip liners are truly the best because they're also so affordable. It's such a pretty color. And then I'm gonna take Kylie lip kit in Cocoa K. This is literally like basically gone, but I love her liquid lipsticks. Okay, let's jump to the finished look. All right, everybody, this is the hair as you saw in the beginning, the hair and the makeup together. We need to get dressed for this event because we need to leave in like 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna go get my outfit and we're gonna get dressed together, but feeling fresh, feeling good. Okay, we are leaving now. You guys just saw my outfit, a montage of me putting my outfit together, but we're ready to go. Got all my shoes in there, so I'm wearing my loafers right now, blazer. We're getting Chick-fil-A, and then we have a long drive, so we're gonna go to LA.
Please. Gotcha. Then for my drink, can I do a diet lemonade split with water? It's like the healthiest possible lemonade.
All right, we just ordered a Chick-fil-A. The lady taking our order was the nicest ever. I got 4-count strip meal, lemonade, half water. Will got loads more. I don't even know. What'd you
Chicken
get?
sandwich, and then just like entree strips.
And then you got a diet lemonade split with water.
Yeah.
Which basically is half water, half lemonade. We always do that because it's very, you know.
Well, it's
very
really sweet, but I mean the diet lemonade. But I assume
still
it
sugar,
tastes
it's
just
just
as
fake
sweet.
sugar.
Yeah.
Which is that worse for you?
Don't say that.
I don't know. I'm genuinely asking. That's always the
Okay.
question with diets.
From here, 58-minute drive.
All right, so we got like an hour drive to this little event. So what this event is, I don't even know if I actually said it. I'm gonna tell you guys. It's a chain of these stores called Credo Beauty.
Someone's got Chick-fil-A in the brain,
and they are all over. They're like in Chicago, New York. I think there's already one in LA, San Francisco, but they're opening up a brand new location. It's like in the Beverly Hills area, and it's all about like clean beauty. So they carry a bunch of different brands in their stores. And something that they do that's actually really cool, because I was looking at their page, was like if you have a product that you love, like a makeup or skincare product, and you're wanting to find the best alternative to that product, but one that is a clean, more natural version, you can take in that product and be like, this is my favorite mascara. Do you have anything super similar in one of the brands that's a lot cleaner? So that's really exciting. So they're just seem really cool. I'm very excited to go and celebrate them opening up the new location. There's gonna be, I think, cocktails, and there's gonna be V healing. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's VIE. I've actually had that done before when I used to get
V means life in French.
Yeah, it's acupuncture. Well,
whoa.
It's not acupuncture, maybe acupressure is a better word, but when I used to get actual acupuncture, they would take these like almost little beads and they would tape them on your ear over pressure points, and while you're at home you could do it to try and help with your like acupuncture journey of just basically getting healthier. But they're gonna be doing that, or there's the option to put them on our ear, which is really amazing because actually it works really well. It's literally just like a bead and a tape thing, and it's like it's because it's pressure and you just compress it yourself. Anyways, I'm sure they'll tell us more about it, but I've never done that like just by itself. I've only ever done it with acupuncture, but it actually really works, and they're a little bit sensitive sometimes because it means it's actually working. It's like a real pressure point. So anyways, we're really excited. So that's kind of what's happening. And yeah, we're just about to get our food. Try it. What do you think?
Oh wow.
Is it good?
Yeah, I think it tastes the same.
You think it tastes it's just a mind trick?
Oh wait, or is that on the diet? No, maybe that is.
This is the diet. Right? Yeah. Wait, no. Wait.
Yeah, no, mine has the diet hole punched in.
Mine's good.
No, sure.
Alright, we're just gonna take a quick little bite. Oh. Okay, we've like pretty much made it, but we stopped off on this like super bougie, beautiful, you can kind of tell, like literally insane neighborhood. And we're like 5 minutes away from where we're needing to be, but we're a little bit early, so we're gonna take some insta pics, I think. I need to put my jacket on.
It took us so long.
Yeah, driving around LA is no easy feat. Bags. I don't know what's in them yet.
3 bags? Oh no.
No, one of them's my pair of shoes that broke.
Yeah.
But I said to them, I was like, you only need to give me one. Like, Will doesn't need one. They're like, no. He supported us tonight. And I was like, yeah, you're right. He did work the room. And they were like,
I made some friends.
They were like, we love Will. And I was like, Will's great. But anyway, we met the girl Alexa. She's the best. Who was the one who found us and invited me. She's like, no, I just found you. I love your content and I followed you. And yeah, it's just so cool. So anyways, we had a great night.
Big up Alexa.
Yeah, we had these watermelon Paloma tequila margaritas, by the way. That's what they were. Anyways, an amazing opening night for Credo Beauty. Hey, you guys, we are home. I put my PJs on and did my skincare. Took out my hair extensions, but literally look how well my hair is still curled and looks from using the beach wave earlier. My hair doesn't always hold curl very well, so this is pretty impressive. And these are my extensions. I just thought I would show you guys hours later. Sorry, our towels are all up there, but still super curled and beachy and looks beautiful. But we had the absolute best evening. I hope you guys enjoyed the little get ready with me, doing my hair with me, makeup. I'm just so thankful for this job and thankful to have you guys and over 100,000 of you guys. Literally, it's so surreal. And I love y'all. I'll see you in my next video. Will's my mood right now. Okay, good night. See you next time. Bye.